Okay, so this is an open message for Upwork, especially for their CEO, Hayden Brown, Upwork decision makers, and top management. I'm 99% sure that none of you are going to bother watching this video, but do not worry, I will also be sending you a mail to your mailing address because I want to make sure that you see this. Now, before I move ahead, I want to say this clearly. I love Upwork, okay? I have been on Upwork for the last 12 years. This is the only freelancing platform that I have an account on. Upwork has been really great to me. Not only have I earned my livelihood from Upwork, Upwork has also promoted me on many occasions by posting my article on their website, by promoting me on their social media, by quoting some of my advice in their articles, and by giving me a chance to work in one of the Upwork TV ads at the time of COVID. I have zero complaints about Upwork. I have zero complaints about Upwork fees because, hey, it's a business. They are here to make money, right? I understand that. Upwork never gave me any problems. My payments never got stuck. My account never got restricted for any reason. I was never asked for any profile verification. Upwork really never bothered me about anything. As a matter of fact, Upwork has even once paid from their pocket when a credit card of a client failed and my hourly memos were just not detailed enough. So I have never faced any issues in my last 12 years of my Upwork journey. But this video is not about me. I am recording this video and I will be mailing you a letter too because there is something very concerning I am noticing with Upwork, especially with the people you have hired as support staff. Now, I know there is something called the US Patriot Act. I know that you cannot share your Upwork profile with other people. I know that the person using the profile should be the same person who created the profile. But I feel that when your support staff asks people for profile verification, they should also understand that every country and every person goes through a different scenario. For example, someone is traveling and opens Upwork from another country or city, and that somehow triggers the Upwork verification process. This has happened, by the way. I'm not making this up. Now, let us say that person does not have the required documents at that time to verify their profile. What will Upwork do? If they are not able to verify their profile within the allotted time, Upwork will suspend their profile and most likely will not give them a chance to re-verify their profile when they return back to their country or city to do so. Or let us say Upwork asks someone to verify their address. That person, not knowing that Upwork does not accept digital documents, utility bills, or bank statements because those can be doctored, and they send one of those documents. What will Upwork do? In most cases, they will simply reject a document and they will not clarify that, hey, dude, you need to go to your bank, get a statement printed with your seal, take a picture of all four corners, and then send us that document. Nope. Upwork will simply reject it. And that innocent person, not knowing the reason why the document got rejected, will probably send the same documents a few more times and get his account suspended. This has also happened. And sometimes you do not even give a chance to the freelancer to explain their side of the story. For example, someone uses two different devices to log into Upwork. He accesses Upwork at home in the morning and then maybe from a co working space from another device in the evening. Upwork just suspends the account, suspecting that two different people are using the profile. Now, you know what the problem is. Some of the freelancers have been working on Upwork for years and they have made $100,000, $200,000, $500,000, and even more. And you know what some of them will do? They will take their clients, the ones they were already working with on Upwork, outside Upwork. They will work with them outside the platform, and Upwork will no longer get paid through commissions. Upwork is a public company, right? You need to show profits, you need to keep your investors happy, you need to increase your share prices. This is how it works, right? If I'm wrong here, let me know. I will just delete this video. So, by suspending those legit freelancers, what kind of message are you giving to your stakeholders? Freelancers will get back on their feet again. They will be depressed for a bit because you took away their livelihood, but Upwork is literally hurting its own business by suspending legit freelancers, by not giving them the benefit of doubt, a warning, or a chance to explain. Because we are all humans here, sometimes we unintentionally do things that we do not know are wrong or against your terms of service. And you guys really do not explain violations clearly either. So please show some empathy. For many people, Upwork is the only platform they earn from. And I have come across so many cases like this, and I am not saying everybody is innocent. Some people get rightly suspended. Good job on that. But there are also people who deserve another chance because they unintentionally did something that triggered your systems. Let me give you another example. In some cases, a freelancer spends a lot of time on Upwork searching for jobs, sending proposals, and they receive an email from Upwork accusing them of using some automation. And when the freelancer says, no, we are not using any automation, we are not doing any such thing, Upwork suspends your account. I'm not making this up. This has also happened. I come across such cases every day, and really it really hurts. And this is where the human part comes in. As I said before, I'm absolutely happy with Upwork. I did not have to create this video. There is nothing in it for me. But as a human, it hurts me to see freelancer accounts getting suspended because your support team did not want to show empathy. And I genuinely believe that you are also hurting your business. I will also be mailing you the transcript because I want to make sure you see this. And to everyone who works on Upwork as a freelancer or who has suffered a wrongful suspension, please share this video so more people see it. So some one from top management at Upwork hopefully watches it and thinks about how support tickets are handled. This will really help your fellow freelancers. There is really nothing in it for me. I'm just raising my voice as a human being. I have never asked people to share or like my content, but this time I am requesting that you do. Thank you for watching.